What is up, my bountiful beauties? Welcome back to my channel. We're getting into this simple bold wing liner tutorial today for you guys. I am starting out with my 352 Second Nature palette. We're going into that shade Brick and Rich, and we're blending that into our crease. And we're just getting a, good in-depth for our crease. And then I'm going in also to the shade Toast, and we're also blending that on top of where we did put those other pigments. And we're just blending that in, beauties. And then I'm also going into the shade Terracotta, and we're also blending that a little bit above where we did put our Toast and Brick and Rich. And then we're going into a Blaze, and we're going to be popping that on top to give it more like an orangey gradient effect for this cut crease that we're going to do. And then I'm going into the shade Tan, and we're just going to blend that right on top of where we did put a Blaze, so all these pigments and colors can come together to get that beautiful gradient effect. And then I am cutting my crease with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camoflauge Concealer. And also, you guys, sorry in advance if I do sound a little harsh because I recently just got sick and I'm hoping to get better soon, so wish me luck. And then I'm going into my Zodiac Love Signs palette in BH Cosmetics, and we're taking that beautiful shade Leo, a very shimmery, beautiful shade, and we're just popping that onto where we did cut our crease. And now I'm getting into my NYX Glitter Primer, and then I'm taking a glitter that I did purchase from Target, and then we're going to be basically lining where we just did cut our crease, so it gives like a beautiful glitter liner to the top of where we did put that shimmer shade. And now I'm also taking my LA Girl Black Liquid Liner, and then I am doing a beautiful bold liner for you guys today. I haven't done a wing liner in like a long time, so I really did like how this look came out. Comment down below what you guys think, and then also subscribe to your girl, join the beauty tribe as well, okay? And then I'm going to my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. You guys know, if you guys see my previous videos, that I'm in love with this foundation. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Master Conceal by facestudio, and I'm just, contouring all our highlighted parts out. Not contouring, you guys, highlighting. And then I'm also blending that out with my beauty blender, and I do believe I'm taking a pair of lashes that I did receive from the beauty supply store, and I'm putting those on, and I'm baking with my Luxury Banana baking powder from Makeup Revolution. And then I'm taking that BH Cosmetics Brilliance bronzer in Bronze Babe, and we're going to be carving ourselves out, beauties, okay? And now I'm just dusting off where I did bake, you guys. So I was basically baking while I was, doing my contour and everything, so we can get a nice, beautiful, set face with a contoured up look, okay? And then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution highlighter in Dare to Divulge, and I'm popping that on top of where we do put our highlight. I'm using my highlighting brush, fan brush, and I'm just popping that onto the high ends of my cheekbones, our parts that we do our highlight. And then I'm taking my Wet n Wild I'm So Lit highlighter, and I'm also popping that on top so I can get a beautiful, blinding highlight over here. And then I am also using the same colors that we did use for our crease on my bottom line as well. Like I said, guys, I started out with a wing liner for this look, but I decided not to do that, so I just concealed it up, and I put like a gold gold highlight in my inner tear duct, so it would look better than the wing liner. And then I'm blending that out, and I'm also using my Morphe by Jeffree Star setting spray in Strawberry, and we're just setting this whole look together. And this is the completed look, beauties. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I did just pop on the NYX blue liner on my waterline, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl, and I love you, beauties, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye.